my late partner, I think being Twasisa, he was short. He called me in the morning. Spiritually, I'm not there. Because in London, igupi on this thing, I would take kanjani, kanjani emansini. Ngizwa ini a shot of a gun. Ne? Not knowing ukuthi bayamshaya vele.
Yeah.
Amshaya.
Sanibingelela hlelweni lethu le Echo Point TV lobingelelayo uxola umfana ngambatha ke ushada uNdaba ezethu uSontshikazi umthi ushota uMatinda esikamsodidla madlebana gwatshoza igcololo umdidi wadakho dakhela ucatho. Don't forget to subscribe. Namhlanje ngihleli ke ngadwa ke ngiphethe futhi umkhulu Manzini ophinde wabuya ke njengoba ayishilo ukuthi uzobuya ke futhi ihlandla lesibili. Sithatha intambo kuyiphuthumisa kuyimkhulu kwesiyazi ukuthi asisheshisele nje umkhulu ukuthi ahlale udabeni uthi namhlanje siphatheleni. Khehla lami sekubingelela mkhulu.
Thokozani
Siyaphila mkhulu.
Ana miyaphila.
Isiphinde yadiba.
Ngibile futhi. Sengko.
Awuthandi ukuthi sengiphi khona ngiyabila. Bayitshela ukuthi scam hayi lutho.
Return soldier.
Kahle kahle. Namhlanje mkhulu usiphatheleni ngoba ngiyakhumbula eqaleni ngokukhumbula kwami sasithe sizoshiya le topic le yenkolelo ukuthi isebenzisana kanjani nomuthi.
Okay. Keleboha again for this opportunity. Re tlo bua kajeko ka taba ya belief ya motho based on dilo tse di diragalang mo yena le ditlhare le tsamaisana jwang. Remember hore way back no this thing ya hore if utlwa o kare mmele wa hao wa change, it's a sign something might happen wherever you are, or maybe itlhola hao la panya ke nthola na ba o tlo bona motho maybe ka motlase la panya motho wa botso me o tlo lla. But at some point it's not like that, or maybe isanja sakho siyaluma but imali yeza leo they love it a lot masiluma bathi imali yeza in some of the things it's a body changing season moyona because of body how now ya change. Some ke di signs tsa okay ntho e so itlwaetse, and not because of ntho e so itlwaetse meaning hore it doesn't align limit le in. At some point o ka feel hore my hand is itching, wa potsa hore o fiwa tšhelete kanti ko wena o tlo ntshang tšhelete o ife in someone else. Sometimes di tlhola hao le ka panyapanyo wa potsa hore okay fine maybe ko lla can't know o ka selle. It was like nele sign ya bontsha hore something might happen. Ka odimo le panyapanye ba re no you're gonna see someone which is doesn't work like that all the time. At some point yes they do work but not all the time.
Okay.
Because of you're gonna see someone continue next. Uzokhala nada. Uzolinda imali next. Uzoyilinda tot. Yes. Because at some point umuntu uzothi okay my hand is itching. Usho ukuthi imali yes. Yofika nini mkhulu? Yofika nini?
Ngoba isho ukuthi
doesn't mean ukuthi ngizofika or ngizofika nini. Ayisho phela. Wena masilunye nje okay fine imali yes.
Yajabula imali
ya bayongibhadala ubani bani uyankoloto uyongibhadala uyohlala mkhulu uyohlala. At some point those signs all the time in the spiritual world we used to say hore ke di signs tsa badimo madlozi a panyoko ke di signs a bontsha hore ba phela ka mo wena. Those things are the signs whereby not basically not from my side if I know hore something will happen mood ya change.
Mood ya.
Yeah, my mood changes because of now I feel like okay something it will I don't know what will happen but something it will and I don't know if it's good or bad.
Yeah.
Now body aga it more change imports or no something it will be off. Headline di tlo tla go nna ke sense pele okay motho mo so o tlo tla or ke tlo bona ka ngwana kwa hae monyana. I do the funny things di taolanyana o tlo tseya mo like I know hore something is coming. So now badimbale they no longer use the sense ko nna but people which are close to me. Now I can identify seeing their actions or o tlo etsala eng after.
Yeah.
And it's happening. And that thing, don't take it light, hore. Maybe because of it's a sign nje. Don't take it light.
Ikule indaba.
Dwell to it. Go out and check ukuthi all the time this thing is happening to me. What does it mean?
Mm.
And then you find out, or maybe how you react, so this is what is happening. Don't sit with it. Find information. Go to abantu which is that old enough to tell you the truth. Not umuntu which is mislead. Someone will tell you the truth ukuthi mkhulu iso lento le ahamba kanje ayihambi kanje.
Yeah, uqinisile mkhulu, kumele lento uphile nayo, uyazi,
Yes.
understand. Ngoba
Definitely.
nami ngoba ngangisho mkhulu kuphathi wani ukuthi mina igazi liyangishiya mangizoba makuzokwenzeka into. Kodwa ngiphuze ngokuthi ngifocus, ngiyayibheka lento enginayo. Ngiphuze uyi-understand ukuthi into esuke iyenzeka after lapho yazi kuvele kwenzakaleni. Vele kwenzeka into ebuhlungu. Kodwa futhi ayenzeki kimi. Uzile ukunotice ukuthi ivele yenzeke kumuntu engihamba naye or
Definitely.
enginaye ngalolu suku lolo. So manje ngingabala nje igameko eziwu3 esays and akapheli ngisho 5 months zenzakele lezi gameko zo3 zenzeka kubantu engisuke ngihamba naye. So ngaphuza uunderstand lento ukuthi isuke isayinela lo muntu engihamba naye ukuthi akabe careful khona into ezokwenzeka.
Definitely.
Hayi mina akaze kwabuya ama result ukuthi kwenzeka into embi kimi. Thothi okuqala nje thothi ngafonelwa umama wathi yazi sengilahle ifoni. Sekuphela usuku ungamtholi efonini. Ngithi ngiyamfonela ngimtholi.
Next.
Next obuya late wathi yazi ifoni yami ilahlekile and ifoni esmart. Hayi indaba okudlala. Wathi kulahle ifoni yami isale kwi-Uber. So angazi noma iBolt noma iUber. So manje bazama ukuyicinga lutho ukuyithola. Washo futhi naye wathi ekseni washo wathi igazi lakho liyakushiya lento ongayi-understand. So kwesibili ngeke ngisachaza kona ukuthi kuyinto kanjani ngoba kwaba nesibhamu phakathi. So yeah, so manje kodwa kuthinta abantu engisuke besondelene nami kakhulu.
Close to you.
Yes.
Yes, mkhulu, because I think mina there was this incident which is I can say ukuthi these things they are working. Mkhulu. Mina my late partner, I think being Twasisa, it was 2 years back, June 16. Being Twasisa. Bang Twasisa, we had an agreement. Cool.
Yeah.
Ukuthi senza ama tracksuit nan.
Okay.
The day he was shot, he called me in the morning. I think ngizofika lapho, but I'm taking my client to the river nan. Something just said to me, good to know, you were supposed to be on Friday, but awuzanga on Friday, now is Saturday. Okay. I man sashayila kumnandi, but I'm not there.
Yes.
Spiritually, I'm not there. Because ingqondo yami ikuphi on this thing yakuthi kanjani uya kanjani emanzini uyisama client and ngiyathwasisa wena decide ukuthi uyisama client. Uyazi this thing bathi isithongwana. Isithe ukuthi uyalala kancane. Yeah, mangilala njalo ngizwa a shot of a gun. Ne? Not know ukuthi bayamshaya vele.
Yeah.
Bamshaya afela lapho. So those things they do happen. Ama signs abakhona.
Abamshayi like nje ngo just uyayiphupha lento uyayicabanga.
Mina inhleli ngiyathwasisa yena uyisa client emanzini. Ngishawa isithongwana. Ngizwa sound yani isibhamu. Kanti vele bayamdubula.
Kanti vele bamshaya
in real life. Bamshaya fela lapho. Bamshaya ehlathini loli.
Bashaya bani?
Umuntu wami.
Oh.
Which is lento lengiyibona ekuqala. I've been having ama sign nana during the week. Ama semzimba wami gazi lapho. Shisa ini. I'm not settling. Ngiyathukana yenzani. Abogogo lapho they are seeing the side of me which is it's off. Makathi 100 ngilapho phezulu kwakhe. Kanti on Saturday this thing do happen. Yeah. So it goes back to what ukuthi ama signs abakhona emzimbeni wakho and don't take it light. Don't take it light mkhulu. They are happening. And if it's like that, we are having those signs. Phahla. If you're having those signs, futa. If you're having those signs, talk to your ancestors. I don't know what are you trying to show me, but can it not be anyone that is close to me? Most of us, labantu which is hamba nabo, asibakhulu, like we don't pray for them.
Yeah.
Siyahamba nje because kumnandi kulo mhlaba. Siyahamba sibudodloze nani. But ukuthi that second ukuthi uNkulunkulu siyabonga ukuthi like even today we're still together. We remember uNkulunkulu if we are in deep storage. That is when you feel like manje ngiyamdinga uNkulunkulu. Ukhohlwe ukuthi at some point it's not a matter of it's a matter of you saying ukuthi I'm acknowledging the signs in my body. That's it.
Yazi mkhulu, usakhuluma ngale ukuthandaza. Uyazi mina ngazi kwenzakalani, mina mkhulu mangithandaza izinto ama result ami avela abhede kakhulu. Cha ngisafuna uku-understanda kampela ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Mina mkhulu mangithandaza ama result avela abhede kampela. Kodwa mangathandazi nje ngiyimi nje cha kuba right. Kanti kwenzakalani kusuke kunjani ke lapho ke?
Leyo, I think most people they can engage ngayo too much because of umuntu uzukutshela ukuthi if angiphahli abantu bangena entombeni. But ngaqala ngaphahla khohlwa
kuthi ngqi
khohlwa kuyavaleka. You feel like bengiphahlalani. Kusho ukuthi labantu adayiwe manje. Drunk. Abafukusebenza these people. And at some point, yes, it's happening. It's a norm.
Yeah.
It's a norm because even to us, inyanga, it's happening. Yayirahalo mkhulu ukhumalore waphahla. And ophahla kamatshwala ama-serious, ne? Mpepho is expensive. Waphahla mpepho ichume, but mpepho next roll uranyeke bakagogo. And it's happening.
Yes.
Phahla ophahla ushaye izandla uzwe ukuthi manje ngizodumba phela manje. Phahla ushwele bakuphi ke laba bantu laba. Ini sebenathe kakhulu manje. What is happening? It's a norm. It's a norm. Remember ukuthi amadlozi wethu ne ngathwasa, but if someone from ekhaya uyaphahla uyaba like ubitsa abadimbali basuta kunna baya kae kumuthola because of they wanna listen or muthola ha phahla o phahla o kopa eng ko bona. Just because o tshwere badimo doesn't mean hore motho mong a phahla o batla wena physically, no. Ha phahla mo lantsa phahla badimo ba tshwereng wena badimo ba le ba suta mo wena. They wanna go there and listen or mothola phahla jona. That's why it's easy motho ga maybe go lebitleng a o fitla o phahla ka wena into a bed, they give you a sign.
Okay.
Hore motho mo sona tlile o ile kwa phahla ira eng and o phahlile so. That's why ngaka, I used to tell people hore ngaka ha ilori wa bontshiwa. On the difference between olora lo bontshiwa, o bonisiwa no phupha akufana. Motho wa lorang ke motho wa senkeng a acknowledge calling ya gagwe. You are still dreaming lapho.
Okay.
Ma u bonisiwa means ukuthi you have accepted your calling. Manje they are showing you things. Nalo lora nalo, and the worst part, I love saying this thing where people they take imagination as toro or as ke bontshitse ke badimo. But abakgone ho differentiate. Imagination ke ntho e boneng so.
O ibona ngamehlo.
Ha o fetsa ha ore ya phidlela kae on your face.
Okay.
Ho lora o robetse wa lora o kra o lora o wela ka ra dilo mamang o lora eng wa ba le ntho wa bontshiwa and wa khona o bontshiwa o ntse so ke ntse so ke bontshiwe hore mokhulu go ba through what.
Yeah.
Ke bontshiwa e wa so lora ha o lori. How can I dream ke ntse bjana? How can I imagine something ke ntse bjana? Ke nna so ke nne lona so.
Yeah.
Badimo ba ireng ba reveal go bontshiwa.
Okay.
Ma o phupha o lele o ya phupha.
Yeah.
Leyo o ya phupha. And then wabale ntho hore ke bone selo, but now I kolla matlo that thing e bua happy ya dlala ka ikonna. It's an imagination.
Imagination.
So now motho ha sena a imagine selo o feel ka mokho o. No. Like mina, I'm one person, I don't have an issue with people saying ukuthi mina ngiphuphani mina ngibonisiwa in. But don't use ama ancestors or uNkulunkulu as your own shield to do amanyala. Because of umuntu uzothi mina ngiphuphe bathi ngigqoke ubuhlalo bunjani isandla sigcwele. ubuhlalo umuntu usindo iglass ne I don't mind. I mean, I'm one person mkhulu. That's why most people they will never differentiate ukuthi umkhulu unjani because of I don't wear ubuhlalo. Because of ubuhlalo to me doesn't represent ukuthi ngiyinyanga or what. Ubunyanga lives inside me. Ubunyanga it's not a buy.
Yeah.
Ubunyanga it's who you are.
Phakathi.
And that thing doesn't restrict you or maybe you're restricted from doing what? Living your own life. Be who you are. Just because uthwasile manje gonna change. Uyenzeni. Ayikho leyo. You be who you are. If bo groove, go back and groove. If you love partying, go and party.
Yeah.
If uyenza amathathu like umkhulu Bey, you're doing it. Umzimba wakho uphethwe amadlozi anyeke wenza amathathu kanjani? Whose body is this? It's my body. Amadlozi they will never bathi ungagqoki ini yenzani ini. Angisho nabo baphile kulomhlaba.
Yeah.
They know.
Yeah.
They know. So umuntu wathi no anyeke uyenze so because of inyanga now you need to behave in this way. Kanjani?
Yeah.
Kanjani? Why must I behave in a different way? I'm going to live my life.
Apana umuntu ekugcineni
Hawu, ngiyaphila Nkosi yami. Just because ngimkhulu Bey, I need to be at home endumbeni. Chisa impepho, inuke impepho nana ngagezi kanjani? Ayikho leyo, I need to geza, ngiphume makube njalo ngijive futhi. Come back. Come back. Ngiyabuya.
Kunale nkulumo omkhulu ethi amavenda nomuthi. Amapeta awusebenzisa umuthi. Amazulu ayawazi umuthi. Kodwa futhi mawuthi uyabheka. Sonke nje siyayenza letho ngoba nabesuthu bayawazi umuthi. Kodwa siyakhombana kuthiwa hayi ngeke iyevenda unzimo. Kanti lapho omkhulu kusuke kwenzakalani noma kuya ngokuthi umuntu ukholelwa kiwo ngempela nomuthi kangakanani.
Thank you mkhulu.
Ngiqonda ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ngenkolo yakho. You can go to Mozambique now ube nomuthi wase Mozambique but mawufika kimi ungasebenzi.
Okay, yebo. Yeah.
Because wena uye eMozambique because uzwe bathi eMozambique there is umuthi dangerous kakhulu mawubuya uthi uyangishaya thole ngihleli. Ungasebenzi depend ngenkolo yakho. Some people nanoma uthi umshaya kangakanani ngomuthi anyeke umthole. Because inkolo yakhe.
Okay.
Some people they forget ukuthi amadlozi wakho anyeke bavume ngawe. It's not easy ukuthi umuntu akakuthakatha mkhulu.
Idlozi lingakavumi ngawe.
Idlozi lingakavumi khohlwa.
Ngeke.
Likuphi lona? Mawuthakatha likuphi? Lihle likuphi iqokeni? Ama brand iqokeni. Amabemuta. Liqokile nje lihlele phansi zona lithi no abamshayi wami. Umntwana. Ngeke. But lizokuvumela ukuthi bakushaye if you are not willing ukuthi uyenzeni ulenzele eqiniso.
Malithi angivuma lingivumi.
Yes.
Futhi mase lithanda nalo ukuthi ufede. Lizokunika nje umuntu ozokushaya nje.
Akushaye.
Or ngomese or
akushaye mkhulu uyifile ukuthi la manje ngishayiwe.
Yeah.
Nathi bashayile nathi. Ngigobela kanje sishayile.
Yeah.
Mara where are we now? We lift up our chin, move on.
Seni right manje.
Yeah. Because of idlozi anyeke livume ngawe if you're not accepting ukuthi example lithi hamba yothwasa and then awufuni. What must happen?
Lokutala lapha kancane.
Uthi ulahleko lomsebenzi. Uthi hawu kanjani?
Sikithi wena umuntu uthandana naye.
Yebo, uyabona relationship wise like pusu. Because lithini go and do this thing for me. But when awufuni wanna live your own life. Phile nje
udonyora.
Mkhulu
uthanda usho njalo udonyora.
So now you be like idlozi nalo umuntu by the way. Malithi yenza so yenza.
Yeah.
And anyeke look be under pressure if you are doing it in the right way. But if awufuni uzosuffer. You're going to lose things that you had. Umuntu wathi I had a house, I had in. But zonke izikuphi manje. Next.
Yeah.
Because la kushaya idlozi. Like livumile ukuthi bakushaye. Sometimes lona lokushaya iqobo lwalo. La hlala nje tu vumela ukuthi umunye umuntu akushaye. Anozokushaya. Uthi uyavika uyenzeni akushaye.
Yeah.
So if uyenzela idlozi lakho ngeqiniso omkhulu I don't think lingavuma. because of even if uyakuphi uyavenda uthatha igubu zakho ukuvenda
Uyabuya
futhi uthi umkhulu babe imvala phakathi kwebhodlela mayonnaise nani aha uyovala nje kuphela
futhi nanokunye mkhulu esesikwenze sithanda ukufoster nala nokuhlala endaweni ongadingekiyo. Kunomuntu ohlele othi kwi-relationship kumanje kuthola ukuthi akaphathekile kahle, kodwa uyayibona impawu zokuthi akukho right la khona ukuthi umuntu afoste. Kunomuntu okwi-friendship ohleli nomngani kanti uyinkunzi yesitha sakhe, kodwa uhleka naye ukhala kanye naye, kodwa impawu negazi liyamtshela ukuthi lo muntu akalungile, kodwa afosteleke umuntu qhubeka aphile naye. Esilimaza nawe yazi ulinyaza umuntu ola eduze.
Ngiyahleka nkosi yami ngoba yo mkhulu, I've been there, no. Na ke bile in places which is ne ke sa batlwe but o batluwa my service. Ke bile ka di friendship which is ne ke uziwa ha o batliwe nna o batluwa matso aka.
Yeah.
Mkhulu, I had friends, I'm repeating, which is today, heke ba sheba, I won't say I made them, but I've met them halfway.
Okay. Yeah.
Ne ke khona nna so le ditšhomi tsaka. Re qoqo o nne monate but heke jika ke another topic. And people, they are so lazy to think because it's not like asazi ukuthi bathini ngathi. We know because the same people which is bahleli nabo, they come back to us and tell us, uyazi umngane wakho akakuthandi. Awu. Phela uthe mawusuka lapho athi. And you feel like, but umngane kanjani? Why are you doing this? And all the friendship, I'm not the one who cut them off. Bayenza bona because of they feel like lo muntu lo manje uzosiphaqa. The best thing is to distance ourselves. Mina, my friends that are using me, and I will never hide it because of banyaga hore mkhulu etla, we read this, mkhulu etla, we read this, and then from there, I'm nobody. Go on. Friendship yaga, I had a friendship ya 9 years.
Yeah.
9 years friendship. But tlhampua hampe kumathwasane ngaka. Ba tshwere nna mkhulu be. Mkhulu be ke nja. Mkhulu be ke pitbull. Kore mkhulu be, now I can see hore mkhulu be, I'm a threat. What you mean, Zaka? Because of I wish them all the best, but they don't wish the best for them. All they wish gore mkhulu be have in deep shit fail. But when they are facing that thing, oh mkhulu, I'm telling you, I'm the first one to get the call. Show me, I'm going through this and that and that. But you were not there for me. But now because of you are in deep storage, and I used to attend even the event which is I'm not invited to. Invite. Kiki said even if I'm not called, but not anymore.
Yeah.
Kiki and participate mkhulu. Kishapes gupu kire engi kidele bona kire participate as if kibiditswe ke sabitso. So now because of ban party invite, I get the honor. Mkhulu be work bona. I ke boni. I'm tired. Mkhulu into industry ya bongaka o tla uziwa if are careful. Batla o nyanya dingaka. And ba o nyanya le information. Ke ntse so le tshomi kanti go ena mmolai wa ka. O sera saka. Phone a gona type a motho a text motho a re o mo ha tsamaya keng. But a khotlwa re ke ena o biditseng gore etla. Ha o fetsa o moteng nna kere. A re wa sa tsamaya. And you can sense the environment if ha sa tlhokega. You're gonna feel it. O tlo bona attitude. O fu attitude. How to mara kere ba fella pelo. How kere ha ba sa o nka bo best. That's why this days prefer heke ya motho nkya Friday, Sunday I leave. Because motho wa motena, to be honest.
Yeah.
Wa bona ra a batlehi suda. Mkhulu etswa. Shia kole suda. You can see hore pila mo ke uziwa suda before it's too late. Aba butse now we know. Rena re ntse ka re the friendship re bona ha re tlhokegi. Re ntse ka re relationship re bona re tlhokegi. But the moment you realize who you are, how you worth, you osira.
Yeah.
Ha ba sena access akere for wena eo mkhulu ke a itse pila I can count chomi tsaka re blockane gore ha o sana o madi a rena a sa shaisana just because mkhulu be o khone gore no akere every time ne ke le yes yes I will do it but now because I said no king actually no chomi mshodi 1-2 nyana ka mfono ne ke blocka last week
Yeah.
ke faka fela delete and block blocka fela ke blocka wasane no ke a blocka shem why must I keep you ka phone yaka because of I'm posting status no was screenshot that you're going to communicate gang ka status sela the screenshot tse tsamayang ka mabitso a rona we know them the group chat tse ba di bulang ka mabitso a rona we know them.
Yeah.
But because of Ototsi, doesn't mean holding you don't know anything. You know, but sometimes peace, man. You choose peace over anything. Distance yourself.
Yeah.
If you blocker, blocker. If they're putting you in a distance there. Itswa ku maphelo nga motho. Itswa ku motho. Mkhulu, this say hore umuntu uyayeko. Itswa tlogela. Don't dwell this thing ya hore I have 10 years with Mkhulu Bey. Therefore I have a future with Mkhulu Bey. No, you don't.
Yeah.
Don't dwell motho eo. Just because now you know me for 10 years doesn't mean we have a future. No. I can still live without you. Ke phela lo wena ke phile ka wena.
La mkhulu futhi lezinto zenzeka kakhulu emalokishini. Ngokuxwayisa nje kakhulu mkhulu ngoba ngibuka ukuthi isiZulu sithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Engifisa ukuthi mkhulu mhlambe nje sise la eqoqomezeleni nokumotivate kakhulukazi. Akona konke abazokuthatha kodwa futhi akona konke abangeza ukukuthatha. Lesimo lesi kakhulukazi senzeka la emalokishini. Umuntu mayithenge into entsha. Into oqala kayenzayo poster. Akuma status nako Facebook abonge i-social media. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi abonga amadlozi ngoba if uzoposta imoto uqeda kuyithenga isena one day usuthi wena ngiyabonga kwenzakele posta kuma social media akawukayi lo muntu kuyishunqisa nangempepha
asinke ayithi ayibonsele motswadi nomzali wakho ayithi koli eo
yeah
but already friends ta hao ba yithi koloi batho ba ba khohlwa mkhulu re kana whatever se o stolana asi ntuloreng ke ha o le one
yeah
ke ha o le badimo ba go heno o reka ntlu o ira mmereko wa reng ke khaba nku o repudi ke khabela eng badimo ke leboha eng ntlu koloi wa ilebohela
yeah
ngwana wa mo lebohela le mosebetsi wa mosebetsi even if you can be a petrol attendant wa phahla re ke a leboga so now re bola go reng we wanna impress friends than badim ba rona we wanna impress friends which is friendly ka o tshiu aga o latla at any time but la ho le dlosi never lo latla le modimo never o latla le motswadi wa gago aka o changeetsa but modimo le badimo they will never because of no so ona le ntshela reng ke rekile sneaker go batlatsa o tlatsa bo mang o tlatsa bo mang because o se apara a o fitla kwa le bo hata o sa pere o re nyuka ko wena le tshmitsa ga ke tse di tshomi ka mokoloing bana ba bjala ba dire go uta ka mokoloing bile la drive ha e fitla accident twa modimo le badimo ba ire mosa o phele tlhofele tshmitsa gago o fila bjang koloi regardless of eng a le koloi ha o lata o lo one o khapa keng ke badimo ba gago because of your phahla a day before badimo ka se ntlata koloi koloi ke latang e be lona ba le tlontshireletsang ka ra yona meleko ke mentši mokhulu o tlontsha from garage mo re botong ba o thula ba o loile se ke ba o loi because o tswile fela wa phahla a wa rapela wena o nyotswa fela
yeah
ntho ngwe le ngwe o e bya ko matsong a modimo le badimo don't ever impress dichomi impress wena pele
yeah
happiness ha qale ka wena first learn to love yourself first before you can love someone else so now if when all the time mkhulu people know ba phelela dichomi re phelela dichomi a re sa phelela bo rona a re happy re phelela eng dichomi
Yeah.
happiness a o itse but because of ona le mkhulu be o happy no because ke le rain dance mo la re seba ka bana ba batho just di thusa rain dance do fopha no wa ta bo mpotsa diphiri tse di kana so now it's best to have friends which is you are encouraging each other about bophelo but o ka re ona le chomi one so reason to hey guys phela ko mmerekong o so motho a sampotsa ka mmereko guys o itse o so le so but tswala number 1 tswala number 1 ha re ka a re nyakeng 5 liter no ya rain dance e ka tswa even if re na chelete e ka tswa no rain dance mara ya re re tsamaya re nyaka di CV never ya re nna ko lokele mmerekong never ntse ke le tshumi ya hao why not why ke sa lokele mmerekong ke a bona re wa safara and nna ke na le connection I feel like maybe ha o fitla onkela sport this is how they feel friendship is was friendship so how bona gore ha o sa batlega mkhulu etso how bona gore friendship how it's one sided etso how bona you are the only one who's putting more effort in the relationship etso o nyoko tsoka mona o le stopo re jana mkhulu be re tlotsa moya ha o ka ditlhare go rumunya boyfriend how bona re relationship ha isa loka etso nama happiness e phuma pizza o foster ba bantshi ba 6 feet because never foster le mo loreng a ba tlhokagale ane motho tlo bontsha di signs tsa re ha go batle because o ignorant lo wena yo wanda o jwalo Thabo o nshapile ka tsepe dimpama o jwalo o tlo change
Uzoshintsha.
aka change one day o tlo better I'll better o share o tlhokofetse mola
Keep it.
yeah wena re man o so vela ha bona chimitsa hai o actor so wa o bontsha re I'm a monster
Yeah. La mkhulu yazi abantu bayithwebula inhlanhla inhlanhla yomuntu. Kahle kahle ithwetshulwa kanjani inhlanhla? 90 yazi ngifuna ukuyiqonda lento ukuthi umuntu njengami ngithi bangithwebula inhlanhla ngiyabona phela ukuthi into zami ayisahambi kahle. Labantu abagangayo bayithwebula kanjani lento bayenza kanjani lento?
this thing mkhulu it goes along ngithe idlozi lakho yilo which is lizovuma ukuthini bathwebule inhlanhla yakho weke chochwalo people they used to say this thing ya hore no ukubela umvalile
Yeah.
ukuvala kanjani ke na le mathata ka go tswalla for eng o tsere dluzi lako o bereka ka lona wena a le useful dluzi la go nna so inhlanhla ya hao motho a ithwebola o tlo ithwebola because of le dluzi la hao le vumile or there is something wrong e o etsang ko madluzing then he motho a ithwebotse inhlanhla ya hao you pick up yourself where consulta e wa back akere olo phela ke ntwa eo
Ilokho ke mkhulu engifuna ukwazi ukuthi leseke idlozi livumile wayithwebula. Ithwetshulwa kanjani? Ngifuna ukunderstand ngoba angicabangi ukuthi ogobela kuphela abathwebulayo.
No.
Even nathi
yes
njengoba sinormal
yes,
outside.
yes
Abantu esiphila nabo basithwebulela inhlanhla. Abangani bethu.
monati phila fair
Manje ngifuna ukwazi bayithwebula kanjani?
the thing
Benza
is
njani?
there are many ways to thwebula some baya emathuneni athenge nje inhlanhla yakho lapho motho afihla aphahle ka wena
Ethuneni.
yeah
Ithuna likabani?
enithunya afihla wale reka ke ha fihla yena o fihla o reka eng lebitla lela ha fetso reka lebitla wa phahla mole mama ngwana sibanibani wa ka sibanibani khalon sokodisa man nthulo ngwa Aisha balala o rekile lebitla la eng la motho ka lebitso la mang la gago ha fihla mola o phahla ka wena ba ba sa di khotse di black di fish a ke tso tin fish ba ba se tin fish wa nyiwa mkhulu that's why ke ntwa motho ga so thwebole easy motho la o ya ntweng fora go no thwebola itlo ding ntlantla ya gago ha fihla mola o phahla wena ga lo ntsokodisa ebile wena o ipotsa gore o motho akere ke le lebitla mo ka tshoko be mo spoko se le mo tsamaisi kae se go wena wa romela dibuku mola mothola ha fihla already life it mine now miserable because of aren't you yetsang le wena self o ntse fela o phela ka la modimo khomo o tsosa e etsosang mkhulu ha ona motho a re nna ke phela ka la modimo kanjani ha o le motho emella bophelo ba gago lebella horeng bophelo ba ka no ne bolo so but now bo so tsama o consult because of re thebola ke batho ba reng re phela bona close because of o bona wena success ya hao ile more brighter ara wa byang a wa ikhone a ye go sedulong motho a fitlhe ka wena a ile mo sedulong a sepa fetsa kolle ka wena and mind you berekisa leng le ditlhare still o na le ditlhare tse di berekisiwa botlhoko mkhulu a o phephethe motho daylight motho a swele for a ska robala a nyakana le wena a swele for a nyakana ka 3 o'clock motho a teng o starta koloi o ya mabitleng ka 3 a kitime boroko for wena for ntlantla ya hao in fact
mo 3 o'clock uyapi uyale motho
yeah emathuneni 3 o'clock you will never do insebenzo le to daylight
uyohlala khona
uyoyenza insebenzo leyo emathuneni
aze kuyikuseni
makaceda nje uyabuya cabanga umuntu akalali for wena aswele ukuthi angalali asale nje anqunu 12 o'clock aphephethe wena impilo leyo sisayiphila these days kunzima mkhulu
bathakatha abantu
umuntu uzokuthakatha kahle awuloye afetsa athele wena awuloye afetsa rithumi I know mkhulu beki yena ka o assistant kanti mkhulu beki ngaka ha intsi mira ne mothusa ha o fitla go tswalla wese ipatlele wena motho o atlo thusang ntho ya plakana ya hore mamang o eng go kae mamang ipatlele wa hao motho ke tlo tsena ke re mkhulu ke na le mkhulu mamang kwale ke a mitso o thusa ganti nna ke nyaka tlantla hao ha a fitla go ke kwensa o kentsha dibata o ira eng o tsantsila ha o ira eng wona ipotsa gore o khumaneng bophelo kanti no tsantlantla hao motho tla loya mkhulu
ngavele ngapersonal yazi ebusuku yazi mkhulu ebusuku ngiphupha isikhova uyasazi isikhova
yeah le rubbish
cha yazi sengize ngipersonal impela ngoba yazi ubuye umcabako man izolo ngiphupha isikhova mkhulu kodwa cha sibalekile ngithe mangisibheka nje ngoba bengingaphansi kwesihlahla sona singibuka ngaphansi kanti manginasibheka savele sabaleka
sengwetse mkhulu akere ke meleko so sometimes o monate na I love saying this thing ya hore moleko ha o bone is much better unlike kamera wa hao ntho a o e bone but ha re qondane so eye to eye is much better then le mothola if o rometse cover o tlo feel hore ya no so mothola o wake wa mpona no it's best motho au a tlokopela hao so
yeah
sikanja ko morao itla qondane eye to eye
no
o tle go nna o re ya ke nna o scover and then what sikantla ko morao because of you gonna o ntlela ka madrinkwane ntlela ka sitsotsi mo sentho eo mface and he motho a lwa le wena ha o botsa street I'm fighting you
yeah
bona ayihlome
ngoba vele kuthiwa mawunqobe leyo nto ephusheni
bona
unqobile
kahle nje mkhulu
noma ngaqhamuka ngeke nze ngihex
noma ingavela with any angle khohlwa once go no we lwa pila wa wina mola
yeah
motho wa lebale
hey
a try happy ka katsi
hayi sakala manje la mkhulu umehluko phakathi kwesangoma nenyanga ukhona umehluko lapho
na I can understand the different again
yeah
I just think maybe get this name sangoma ngaka I can't differentiate I don't know I can't differentiate to be honest because I believe for if o thwasitse o ngaka le le ngaka tshupse o ngaka o rile mo ndao fela o ngaka o rile mo nguni o ngaka
yeah
the only part which is I say ya hluka ke ngesprofito o mo profita so I can't understand if but na difference maybe bona from their own point but for that we are all ntwe one bo botle motho a tlo botsa gore nna ke berekisa ditlhare tse di so tse ya ke di berekisi therefore ke sangoma ke berekisa tse ya ke di berekisa therefore ke ngaka nna mo nna ke ntho e wana ke different
okay
for nna a ke bone just what I can differentiate ke taba mo nguni le mo ndao le sporofito that one yeah una difference a very huge one but sangoma ngaka I won't any different.
Mm.
Re ntho e one man. If not different ya batho ba ka but nna ntho e one man. Wo tjere twasitse. Wo tjere twasitse man.
So manje nina mkhulu ngokwenu bukhona nomngozeni ngaphansi kwabo kakhulukazi njengoba nizinyanga kanje enibonayo mhlambe i-risk ikhona i-risk enda yona njengoba nizinyanga mhlambe ngezisibonelo ngingabala mhlambe ukuthi ukudutshulwa mhlambe kwenzani ukuxekwa izinto ezikanjalo ngabala okunye nokunye kodwa nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyangi-understand
I do.
iyiphi i-risk eningaphansi kwayo as
Ukubulawa. Leyo ukubulawa. Yeah. Because ukhumbula ukuthi not everyone ozukushela into enhle. Even if ukayipotsa gore o ira bo good but ko matlhong a batho a o ire bo good. Eo e risky because of wa fitla no o tlo consulta mokhulu ha o fetsa I'm telling you wa loiwa ke
yeah
o loa ke maybe ke mdane or something ha o fetsa wa tloha ko mokhulu be o lata thabo mola mmotsware ya mokhulu be o itse are mokhulu be o itse re ke loa ke mang kwena ene most batho ba ira wrong because motho le even if o bona o loya ke cousin a hae you don't say it you don't say it because o lwantsha family. So motho ola ka o sane ha o mokhulu be ke nna retseng nna ke loa wena ka sone wa kena sethunya clap gone
yeah
ka o sane o tsaba mona re mokhulu be no ha go ntho e bua mokhulu be ngaka ya fake mokhulu be eng mokhulu be this mokhulu be that because of ke feel eng a client a wrong impression ka mang ka ngwana go gabo and ke rona ba re tontsetsa metsi ka eng himself ke rena because of what you are saying kai go batho motho ga senyo a theka fela mkhulu
yeah
motho ga se o bolai fela ke rona ba re pakelang dira ka melomo ya mang ya re bola ke ntwe le me dingaka
yeah
dingaka re bola ke le me re fetsa le melela re ke ntsha ka ra eng ka ra mathata ra shake a bjano that's why like free le mo ke tsamaya ka eng a ke tsamaya ka sethare ke tsamaya ke le free because I know ana motho a ka irela anyone anything wrong ke free mara dingaka ke go bona ba ka mpolaya ke nna dingaka because kona ba ka nyaka dinka buru dimpolaya but ngwana re disturb much better
ona simsusa
yeah simsuseni wa bona e umkhulu it's e botlhoko because of re bola ke dingaka self
okay
re bola dingaka self
because not
yes like why mkhulu be aida so why not nna why mkhulu be na le matho sana not nna why mkhulu be na le decline mara ke tshumi yaka ha fetsa ke oh okay sharp re ke team ha na motho a ka bolang go ntla sena information ka motho o a leng gaufi le wena o a leng gaufi le wena ka ntseng information ka wena
yeah
or okay sharp o ya metsing stopa o announce leeto la gago
ya buka
lebella fela ore and a lawyer anyway stopa o post gore ke ya go kai ba tlo trap because a o itse re go phone ya gago even on your contact list ha o itse go rata ke mang
yeah
wa post I'll be there tomorrow gupi
nona post
so buyile not why ya wena utlwa monate kanti aba o targeted
bala emnyama
but oh
wena post usendlini kube ngathi ukhani uyakhona noma ukhona
that is what I do all the time
yeah nami ngenza njalo
I can go through something now and post next month about what I went through that month so now people they will think that I'm going through it at that time kanti no dala mina ngidlule lapho
mina ke mangiyekhaya ngiposta ngakusasa angithi namhlanje ngiyehle ngekhaya ngenza ivideo ngishuthe zonke izithombe erenkeni ngifika ngilale kube right ngakusasa ngiyaposta kuba ngathi ikhani ngiyekhaya uthi uyaphuma
umthakathi nalo bakayenzana uyohlala eFreeway ayi1
noma ngiseyinkomeni ngihambe ngamoto
uyohlala uyi1 ke ko N1 moloyi antsala wana o tla feta ntsala next
kuzokusholela kahle lento yokuposta iyalima
it's risky to be honest
yeah
it's risky because of example otlo poster otlo bala do your things privately so
yeah
do your things privately meaning hore when you do your things o bale ntshole ya hore ke na le seriti ya o poster it is kai your dignity go fast they know oh this week o ja kai o thwasisa bana ba bakae o etsa eng now you'll never umpona ke posta mathwasa. I don't post them because of I respect mathwasana. Some of mathwasa abanye go expose ya ko medieng. Some of mathwasa ba tlile go thwasong because of they feel safety. So nna ke a posta ke le mkhulube ke bontsha dira tsa hae ko ntle hore okay.
Hayibo.
Some of mathwasa abanye ke hore family di itse hore ba go thwasong. But nna ke a posta ko TikTok not knowing hore TikTok ke view ke mang view ke mang. O mongwe wa family wa bona oh o ile o thwasa ke gahle.
Hayibo. Ende mkhulu ukhuluma iqiniso angithi manje abanye bayakwenza lokho nokubona amanye amalokhu njalo uma go TikTok thothi umuntu uposta amathwasa.
Yeah, I post and doso posta bayenza lapho baliphuza phansi umuntu uyaposta. Those things we knew it's confidential. But these days amathwasana wethu they are even going to TikTok, they can even Google it ntoaso appear. So umuntu already una info ya hore ntoaso ke eng. Then what umotsa eng motho o tlo motsa eng because o ibone ntoaso re ke eng. So now o tlo gore o mothwasise ka eng ka ntho e boneng kae ko TikTok. Ha sa follow le dlozi la hore le re mkhulu nna o thwasisa a ke thwasise ka experience. Ke thwasisa based on le dlozi la hao le reng. If it dlozi la hao le nyaka gore o thwase boshigo tlo irela boshigo dlozi la hao. Ele re nyaka fruit dlozi la hao I'm gonna follow le dlozi la gago. Nka se re ntho e thabisang nna.
Yeah.
Because a ke re ntho e thabisang nna dlozi la hao le thaba motsa le happy le dlozi la hao.
Yeah.
So why tsentse gore ke dispute? What is my role ganti nna ke le kobela? Is for me to listen to your ancestors or banyaka eng.
Yeah.
So if nna ke tlo botsa gore nna moretsa so what about dlozi la hao ganti? Because ntse ke le mamele. Le thwasane le na right or gobela a le utlwelle. Ke motho ola o bua le badimo ba habo. O poster is o risky. Wa poster bana ba batho. Dira dia bona.
Yeah.
Ba fosa. Ya nna ke gobela ba ka se nkire silo. Hey, o tla shwa. O tlo shwa. Ngwana batho ba tsela ntoaso a palo go ira ntho a nnete a tlhogofala o tlo reng. O ka se re nna ke tsa blame ke le gobela. Wa lebala re kana kwena o tlisitseng dira kae gaufi le ena.
Mhlawumbe njalo mkhulu amanye amathwasa mhlawumbe ezinye ingane ayithandi kodwa manje ngoba ubaba lo wazo kumele ivume.
Ibhlungu leyo mkhulu because we as gobelas asimamele amathwasa we are expected to every time gobela e right. No, le nna ke motho at some point I'm wrong. But because of gobela wa mona ya ke sgora o tlo nkuka. So feel like ke a motshaba gobela se ka tshaba make friendship le gobela. But gobela thoma I get a pitbull bova. You be like mo oh
kanti yakwatshiswa.
Oh yakwatshiswa mos no. So just be friendly le male gobela gago. Gobela tshwantse a utlwele le thwasa e compulsory. Gobela e mamela ditoro tsa le thwasa. You align ditoro tsa le thwasa le mmereko wa gago. That's it.
Yeah. So la mkhulu ngokulokhunjana ngokudlelwane bakho kwi relationship kakhulukazi nomkhonyana ikuphazamisa kangakanani noma iyakulekelelani lento yakho ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nibambane uma ukuthi ukhona.
The thing is if you are a spiritual person you need to find someone which is who align with your journey. Meaning or someone which is to understand the journey ya gago. And then how motsore a re etse so a re etse. And then not motho tlo botsore no re tlo etsa eng khumana motho lo reng o respecta msamo wa gago. Then le tlo tsamaisana pila in the relationship. But khumana motho reng ke hana taba or o irileng a o ire eng ke nkinga.
Yeah,
because of affecta msamo too much. Ditlanta di kene bathosana ha tsene kore ntho nngwe ya yema stand still because of partner o nang le yona
uma mbihliziyo phela lo angithi akakanda
a never bule pelo. So now ha go tse ka mogo badimo ba re ka jwang remember badimo a never ba fihle in ka poleke le reng a ona le thabo mo yona. Badimo ba ga se fihle mo a place le reng ha ona mfutho mo teng. Badimo they love happiness. All the time wena le monna ha like ke tana Thomas wena la rasa a ke kinga ya affecta msamo.
Yeah,
Wena le motho ha o le nwa matshwala le ka ndumbeng la rasa le ka ndumbeng o ka nwa ka ditlhako ke nwa ka eng go tella badimo and badimo ba suta amadlozi ba distance le wena ba re okay a re mo tlohele re bone gore behavior ya hae yo fella ko kae jiki motho batho ba tla ba qhekeza kae ka ramsamo wa hao kanjani una le badimo
So wena mkhulu sebekunikile mhlawumbe umaqondana noma ngoba phela ngizokuthiwa umuntu onayo kubudlelwane umnikwa idlozi.
mina I think it was them limpa di peace job man ke di peace job lutse ha tsena o kena ka good intentions but along the way I see gore you're not good for me we cut it it was like very wise very wise because alutwanle manyala the moment o tla ka good intention o sa qala along the way wa change o act weird I'm going to cut you off I'm going to cut you there and there and I will never settle for less because of I believe you need to respect me as much as I respect you so now if unyoko fihla wena all the time mashata in not with me
kodwa mhlawumbe kulaba osuke waba nabo mkhulu noma mhlawumbe
they were good
be-understand nanokuthi umakhosi
definitely inkinga iba la which is you want things to go your way
awusolini mkhulu ukuthi mhlawumbe wena onekhanda mhlawumbe kusuke sekuvuka abadala phela sekuvuka omazini
maybe now but that apply impact but the thing is mina mkhulu I have respect mina especially if I'm dating I respect umuntu wami with everything ngiyasithoba I know ukuthi I'm a bullfighter but ngiyasithoba
shone phansi ulale
like all right but don't take that thing for an advantage so inkinga iba lapha because of manje wena unga-advantage or awukyamithi le nkatsamaka uchitha kondla not with me you don't do that
awuzani nokuchitha cha ukuchitha phela angithi mkhulu ngeke umuntu ahlale
ngizobona ngisho
akumele ehlale edla iklabishi
ngizobona
ikho leyo ngithi ngithi ne-McDonald's
mtshele communicate with me
athini mkhulu akutshela
no okay umuntu wami yazini manje ngathi sesapporana I wouldn't mind mina ukuthi umuntu wami ngimtholele someone
how mkhulu ukuthi hayi
yes I wouldn't mind
kodwa solo uwe
don't tell me after now I'm going to find someone for wena
wena mkhulu unankinga ungamtholela wena
angimind
uthi hayi nangu
yeah
awufuna ayitholele
no
usami challenge lo tuthi manje uyabona ukuthi mayetholwa uyo uzothola
akasijaye mina I'm going to find one for you
usile mkhulu
and then ngizothiwa indawo ukuthi ila ngena la qedani la chayile
manje bakuthi uthi cha ngeke I know akimfuna ubheka umunye
5 options nayi ketho one
kodwa uzoza short abantu abakudluli
never anyeke
hey mkhulu kahle
but the thing is if like maybe uthi soborana there are many ways to dlala man can go and buy other things unyiwe let's play
vele kudlala
yes
so manje wena mkhulu abantu kwemphakathini ke kakhulukazi ngoba phela ke uyabazi ukuthi bakhona omana ngutshele laba abagqoka amagawuni bathola bemestradini ngamagawuni abazeni bake bakuthi mhlawumbe ukugxeka nokubeka amabala nokujaja ukuthi hawu lo muntu uyisangoma kanti futhi ngapha ungapha uyabona abakaze ngokwegender abazange bekugxeke mhlawumbe
they have tried but I'm one person I don't owe anyone explanation because there is difference between spirituality and my sexuality sexuality has nothing to do with what my journey it's my choice asile dlozi la ka ditlare ka jeko una no it's my choice ke tswere ke banna but you will never mbone kere enyasire it's my choice they've tried mkhulu kanjani mkhulu this mkhulu that mkhulu but mkhulu this I don't owe anyone explanation because if utlofa motho nthoring ke tlo ke tlhalosa utlo tlhalosa the whole time ya how ya bophelo so ke sala ka cancela very fast because of akaba fa ntho ne ba inyaka akaba fa ntho oreng ba nne fast ba bue ka yona because of akaba fa ntho oreng no also this that akaba fa yona I kept quiet
Yes.
and I did my things. And funny part, there are kids. Ke bona ba re inboxang during the night. How do you like it? Bana ba bona ba ba reng Thabo mang bushiwa bumper wira eng. Ke ba ba re textang. It's pity because parents they don't know.
Yeah.
But we know. So it's best thing or just keep quiet. It's go motho.
Shaya isipani sakho.
I get umbua hampe o ira eng. How stop client totla.
Yeah.
Client ha tla for my sexuality tutle for eng di dlosi. And ha tla go ndumbeng ha tla for nna ke lo go se manala re ke rile eng. O tletse for eng di taola. Ha tla la gore Mkhulubeu o nna le mang. O tletseng di taola. And ha tla la Mkhulubeu o tletse manzini.
Yeah.
I got to stick manzini. Let manzini work ka wena. Not nna.
Nase kuhambe kuze kufike nasemndenini nabo bane support entweni yonke oyenzayo.
They do.
Yeah.
Family like they are so loving. Family like they've seen this thing coming way back before I can even say, okay, so well. My mother accepted my thing before I can accept myself first. Mama like, the time I came Mozart, she was like, I knew. I knew who ngwanake aska mo gonna respect to ba.
Yeah.
And family like ha qale ka nna. There are people which is abudaka still what are this thing?
Yeah.
So now they see that much of a shock go bona because of onale e oloreng o hotse ka yona. So asanga ba feel bad or eng. That's why support from my family 1000%. Lapho khona.
Ayibonakala ngisho ebusweni ukuthi ijabule icela ubuso. Hayi cha kezwakala mkhulu. Mkhulu mhlawumbe nje sesizogoqa ake sithole ke ukuthi mhlawumbe umkhulu Manzini usebenza ngani? Usebenza kanjani umsebenzi wakhe akawenzayo? Sihlabele phambili siphuthumele ohlelweni.
Okay. Mkhulu Bey udominate mostly kaSenguni. Kasindawo leSporofito. And that's already motho go tla ke lethwasa la moXhosa aXhosa ke sitse because aka ira seXhosa.
Yeah.
Ke ntse Sepedi Selopo. So ke Selopo ke Senguni ke Sindawo. Leng leSporofito. Badlela ke moZulu a rata ke nya ke someone to assist me ka eng ka seZulu because ha ke sitse. Tseo tseding the rest ha ke di itse.
Yeah.
Aka di thwasa tse dingwe tseo. But Senguni Selopo Sporofito Sindawo. Perfect. Ke tse ke dominate ka tsona. And I won't say ke master or eng. I'm still learning in this journey.
Yeah.
Day by day. But umsebenzini yawushaya mkhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngicathi angazi noma ku obvious yini or ungakuma ukuthi into engathathi isikhathi eside ungasihighlightela mkhulu ukuthi lokhu kuyini kusebenza kanje lokhu kusebenza kanje kodwa kube ukugoqe nje kusummarize nje.
Firstly lokuqala ka Sporofito. Sporofito ke seloreng se wela kwanda church. Ke sa kereke.
Okay.
Ke mo bo mamsebelezi a profita like o kena dithunywa ke sethunywa in fact. Re la sethunywa sa haho kena di bata o isiwa thabeng o isiwa nokeng o para saporo sa badimo ba go geno.
Yeah.
People they aba understand the story tsa majwang. He ke tshwaisa ngwana Sporofito. Ha ke mo rokele se se batlang ke nna. Ke roka ntwe batlang ke badimamang ba motho o. He ba re tukwana ha ke yellow o roka yellow. He ba re tukwana ha ke red o tla roka tukwane e red because of ke ke badimo ba gagwe. Re kena kae ka ra Monguni. Monguni ke e part we lo reng ro shapela scoop ke o tswa ka 3 o'clock o ntsha badimo o jaeng le kobongo. Akere? And then abaleng le Selopo. Selopo nna go nna ke se sa reng ke Mopedi. Nga serious changane ke le Mopedi. Kira eng se haheso. Meaning hore ke Mopedi kira eng Sepedi sa nga Jiani. Sepedi. And then abale Mondao. Mondao is a foreign ancestor which is ke modimo wa gae wa ko ntle. Lena se le rirang ro tshwaisisa ba modimo ola because of modimo lo tsamaleng le Monguni ola. Monguni ha tsamaya a le one. O tsamaleng le modimo wa ko ntle.
Okay.
From there life yawo iba mnati.
Okay. Nala nguzwe kakhulu ukhuluma nangamathwasa mkhulu. Uyathwasisa.
Yes, kakhulu.
Okay.
Kakhulu ke thwasisitse too much.
All right.
Ke thwasisitse mal. Le no so go thwasisa again July ke thwasisa.
Ziyakhala.
Zamporo.
Hayi kuyacaca mkhulu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi okuningi sesihafulile sesikhulumile kwacaca futhi ngicathi qondile. kakhulukazi ngoba nawo sesiyazi ke nje manje ukuthi okay umkhulu usebenza ngani nangani ushilo futhi wathi ubale ini isiZulu awusazi
yo
akusebenzi ngaso
because akirilo akitsi
nesixhosa
because kutuirela ntho e wrong akitsi so it's best kuirile ntho reng nna ke iretswe yona
yeah
it's much better akenye go adopta eng lo tsa strata not me a ke tsamaile moya
yeah
that's why bare o la sa tshwere sekhale yes because of a ke tsamaile moya a ke size 1 fit all no
yeah
I don't do that
ay ngiyezwakala mkhulu
Yes.
sasibonga nje iqiniso nokungafuna ukuqola abantu siyabonga kakhulu mkhulu mhlawumbe kakhulukazi ke inamba futhi sicela usiphinde futhi ngenamba zakho otholakala kizo askisi kakhulukazi ne social media otholakala kiyo umuntu menqena ukufonela ngoba etime ayisathe ngiya
yanyiwe
yeah
okay Mkhulu Bay go TikTok ke Mkhulu Bay 23 and then go Facebook ke Mtana ka Gogo
Yeah.
Mtana ka Gogo contact number ke tsa WhatsApp ibile ke tsa call
yeah
0611 616205 nyaphinda futhi ba ka Gogo 061 161 6205 social media platform TikTok Mkhulu Bay 23 Facebook Mtana ka Gogo ke a tholagala ke santse ke le teng thuba call ke a ntshara
siyabonga kakhulu hayi bazokudoza siyabonga amazwi okugcina mhlawumbe ungabanika wona bese siyavala mkhulu njengamanje abazohlala nawe enhlizweni nje
don't force anything and mo o sa batleng ko teng suta those are my words don't force anything mo ba sa o batleng suta thank you
ayi ayinizwele ungaphoqi ukuhlala endaweni ongafuneki kiyo suka ngaze kube late siyabonga kakhulu babukeli be-Echo Point TV don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share sengiyaphuma ke mina manje besihleli namhlanje ke nomkhulu umkhulu Bay noma kambe umkhulu Manzini umkhulu Manzini yebo esivakashele sahlala kahle ke kamnandi naye nizwile ke nizomkhona ukuthi umkhulu mhlawumbe manifuna la enisale khona ngokumbuzo nikwazi ukuthi nisibhalele lapho ku-comment section nibuze nathi futhi kakhulukazi nisibhalele sokwazi ukuthi sibuyise umkhulu uma ukuthi khona la nimdinga khona nifone ngoba eshile iminenengwane yakhe senthanda nonke emakhaya sengiyaphuma mina ngoxolo mfowami batha kushada indaba ezithi sontshikazi umthiya ushoda uMatindazi nomsodedla manje bana gotshoza igcololo umtidada yakho udakhela uqatho asibonane ku-episode enye elandelayo.